Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to tell you how to manage Wi-Fi settings, save, forget and auto connect on Android. If you want to manage Wi-Fi settings, you just need to follow these steps. First, open Wi-Fi settings in mobile settings. Open mobile settings and here you have an option of network and internet. Tap on it and now here's the Wi-Fi. Tap on it and here you can easily manage your Wi-Fi settings. As you can see, I have connected to this Wi-Fi. Just tap on it and then tap on forget and you can see the Wi-Fi has been deleted from my phone. Now I'm going to connect this again. Just tap on it and now enter the password and now tap on connect. So you can see the Wi-Fi has been connected and now it is already set in on auto connect. So that's how you can manage your Wi-Fi settings from your mobile. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.